Okay, we have a HARDINGE precision tool room lathe, model HLV-H, serial number HLV-H 8367T. Machine was new in 1980. We are running it right now. Machine has a built-in 5C collar closer, 11-inch swing by 18-inch centers. We're running, let's show it. It has a spindle that goes up to 3,000 RPM and down to 125. We are in the low range, and that's the high range, 3,000 RPM. Machine's very quiet. The bed is in very nice shape. It has a tapered spindle. We are feeding right now the carriage to the left. It's variable, and to the right. Also, you can feed cross. We have a 4-way tool post on it, and back the other direction, cross. Great. Machine also threads, inch threading. Gauge and a half nut, and we are threading. You also have reverse. Okay. The top, you have the cam, also the top slide, turn the top slide handle. No, the other one. Nope. To the right. There you go. Yep, top slide. And you have the tailstock, which is a number 2 Morse taper. Nice and smooth. Okay. Down there you have the 3 and the 4 jaw chuck with it, and a follow rest, and a faceplate. And you also have change gears. That's it. Hey, thank you for watching our video.